Badal, one. Bed. One. Bed. Soup, blah, blah, blah. Oh my goodness, so good. Muscle.
Check your office bag. If it's over it, it's time to replace. I want her to just live her best life and take life. And ultimate people love to look at. She's been going to Ultimate Days for 25 years. She loves it, and she loves to dance. Pretty much everything. They come and they go in the morning for doctor's appointments, for medication, physical therapy, giving peace of mind to their loved ones when they're working. After 25 years, Ultimate Days has been super young. She's shining.
Sarap.
The moment I realized that she blew out pregnant was the moment they walked away from it. And that's why our family will only drive a Subaru. Subaru. More IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards than any other brand. Love, it's what makes Subaru Subaru. The 2.9% APR financing for 72 months on a new 2024 outbound. Goes on now. It's been a special week in playing my favorite games. Now it's time for a special week at Zero.
For me, it's finally time to get back to and lazy workout. For my friends, it's all about the beach cabanas. But for me, it's all about the casino. Great food, fun in the sun, good times for everybody. That's just a word. You know, getting worked up about something. What's the word? Notify us? Put that in.
Sarap.
That way we always know when to help stop work.
Okay, Flex, it's talking about money again.
Okay, I will. I'll turn on her set the blender, the hair dryer.
My buddy?
Yeah.
Talk about it.
No. Oh, yes, please. Oh, buildings like this will save our power. They'll save us from outages. With less work, with hours or more. And hours. Now you can get the breaking news and the best coverage from live and in Spanish. Visit now, abc7.com/español.
Boeing's new Starliner space capsule carries 2 astronauts arrive safely at the International Space Station today. This is a spacecraft safety flight. Others see this for the last-minute thrust propellants delayed the arrival. NASA test pilots Sonny Williams and Butch Wilmore joined the 7 out of Space Station residents. The Starliner had a few small helium leaks before its journey, or during its journey, and Boeing plans to keep Starliner at the space station at least 8 days before guiding it back to land in the western U.S. Cheers, and it was from SpaceX today for its 4th test flight of the Starship mega rocket. The super heavy booster had a successful and safe landing, burn, and splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. This is a big milestone for the company because the previous 3 test flights ended with an explosion. The
Wow.
Starship system is expected to play an important role in NASA's plan to return astronauts to the moon. Veteran actor George Takei, who of course played Sulu aboard the USS Enterprise in the Star Trek franchise, will be taking on the role of iconic Grand Marshal this weekend at the annual Emerald Flag Parade. But advocating for an LGBTQ+ community isn't his only passion. Entertainment guru George Pinocchio tells us on this anniversary of D-Day, Takei says it's his mission to educate Americans on a dark chapter of our history. It's a funny thing, the shade of interior is benevolence. They're the ones that just did something unjust, cruel, and inhuman. 83-year-old George Takei is worried for lessons regarding World War II and the treatment of Japanese Americans hasn't really been learned, especially among younger people. He's written a new picture book for children called My Lost Freedom. This book, I wanted to capture 2 generations. The parents reading to their children. Because still to this day, so many Americans don't know about this event that happened.
That's it.
World War II. Takei was 4 years old when President Franklin D. Roosevelt declared anyone of Japanese descent an enemy of the United States and forcibly removed from their homes. In the book, he wrote, "We were students